Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called Part Period Balancing or PPB. PPB is a heuristic that can be used to optimize lot sizing. The PPB algorithm balances the benefits of producing larger quantity with the lower unit cost and shorter cycle time against the increased inventory carrying cost associated with producing and holding more inventory. Maintaining an efficient production schedule is essential for any business. However, minor inventory discrepancy can lead to missed deadline and dissatisfied customer. As a result, many companies rely on enterprise resource planning ERP software to help them keep track of their parts and products. Part period balancing is a lot size technique using look ahead and look back function to consider additional periods in modifying an initial calculation based on least total cost. MRP manages the production program for finished and unfinished products. In addition, MRP monitors inventories and facilitates determining the specific quantity of material needed at a given date. During this process, the calculation for available or planned stock requirements is compared with the primary requirement. As the available inventory gets lesser than the required quantity, the MRP system initiates make or buy decision by generating a procurement proposal. It also plans the order according to the changing date and quantities. In case of shortage of material, it must quickly adjust to the new requirement of procurement of material. Thanks for watching. Bye.